If you don't already own a tonneau cover for your truck, what are you waiting for? I'm telling you, they are for sure one of the best investments for your wheels. If you're wondering about Ford F-150 truck bed covers prices, here's the deal. When I say they are not exactly budget friendly, don't get discouraged. As you read through my reviews for 5 best bed covers for Ford F-150, you'll realize they are actually worth the prices. I've spent a lot of time exploring the market to find only the best options for you. So if you want to find out more about the best tonneau covers for Ford F-150 Super Crew, keep watching. At the first position of our list, we have Buckflip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. I really appreciated how easy it is to install this tonneau cover. You can easily clamp it in just a few steps without any drilling, and once you clamp it on, your truck will be secured against any weather conditions like rain, sun, snow, wind and dart, but it will also protect you from theft. I also liked how easily the cover folds. You can fold it completely upright against the cab so you have access to 100% of your truck bed. This means the cover won't eat up any storage space and you don't have to remove it to haul large cargo into the bed. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Xcover Hard Tonneau Cover. During those nasty rain showers and snowy days, you'll need to cover the cargo in the bed of your truck with a line of defense that's capable of repelling rain and keeping your belongings from getting soaked. If my experience with this cover so far is anything to go by, and given the overwhelmingly positive reviews I've seen online, it very well could be the Xcover low-profile tonneau cover offers you an excellent way to dealing with the problems mentioned above. It combines ease of operation, all-weather protection, and tough as nails, resilient construction with hard-to-beat functionality. The number 3 position is held by Synthetic USA Aluminum Retractable Low-Profile Waterproof Tonneau Cover. If you'd prefer to have a retractable cover rather than a foldable one, I highly recommend you go with the Synthetic USA Tonneau Cover. This one is made for all 2004 to 2021 Ford F-150s. I found the Synthetic USA bed cover to be amongst the best for many reasons. First of all, it's made of strong aluminum slats that make it ultra strong and durable. It also has a very modern design thanks to the powder-coated black matte textured finish. It will fit perfectly with any car color. I especially like the fact that it's lockable in any position due to the secure key lock system. You can lock it open in any position and be sure it won't move. The number 4 position is dominated by Truxedo Low Pro Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. The Truxedo Low Pro Truck Bed Cover has a sleek, low-profile design that is aesthetically pleasing, easy to use and very affordable. From my experience, this particular tonneau cover has the best heavy-duty fabric out of all the roll-up covers I've seen. It features automatic tension control which keeps the cover tight at all times. This prevents the cover from sagging in the middle and holding any water. The great thing about this cover is that it allows the auto tailgate to function perfect. It has strong Velcro on the sides that keep it firmly in place on your truck bed. Finally, at number 5 we have DNA Motoring TTC Hard 015. If you are a hard-working guy like me that needs to have a durable tonneau cover mounted on the Ford F-150, then this unit might be the best choice for you. My job forces me to travel all the time, and in between those voyages, I need to burden my tonneau cover from time to time. Because of that, I ordered this model and I was pleased with the overall look and design that this tonneau cover is offering. There's a reason why people mostly order the black model of this tonneau cover. It can match nearly any color of your vehicle and it doesn't require a lot of cleaning whenever it rains. That's all for today. We upload auto product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notifications.